It is a lot of interesting information. It's a lot of information. It's a 19-page document. And keep in mind, one of those pages said it was redacted. So there's still some information that we are not privy to. There is cell phone data that was used in this investigation, DNA testing and evidence and analysis used in this case, and also just some good old-fashioned, law enforcement, kind of gumshoe detective work where they went door to door looking for surveillance footage. So a lot to discuss this hour. But let's get to our questions, Sunny. Our first question comes from Chelsea Lee Copeland from Facebook. She asks, did I read the affidavit correctly? Was there a camera inside or on the outside of the King Road residence that picked up a whimpering and a thud? Sunny, I know it's a lot of information in there, but I think that is correct. It was on another home. So tell us about how important that is, the whimpering and the thud, coupled with the roommate hearing and seeing this guy in the house. Talk to me, though, about how important that surveillance footage is in determining the timeline in this case.
So the surveillance footage was very extensive, and they really did, as you said, some gumshoe detective and investigative work, pulling all of that information in. The questioner did get that information right. That is stated in the affidavit that there was a thud, there was some whimpering, and that video footage allows law enforcement to actually pull in more information and closer to the timeline. It is a part of how this will unfold in a courtroom, giving a very specific timeline as to what may have been going on at certain times. There's extensive footage that they have found and located, being able to connect the dots, along with how many times the particular car and similar type car that Brian drives was in the area. 12, according to the affidavit. They're seeing a car that was similar to that. Video footage and the in-person ID of who I will name DM as one of the other individuals who was in the home at the time. That's critical information.